If you're a cat parent tired of scooping litter every day, this might be a total game changer. Today, I'm reviewing the Neakasa M1 Plus open-top self-cleaning cat litter box, an automatic, app-controlled litter box designed to keep your home cleaner and odor-free. Let's check it out. Open-top design. Unlike closed litter boxes, the open-top layout feels more natural and comfortable for cats of all sizes. Automatic self-cleaning system. After your cat uses it, the box automatically separates waste from clean litter, no scooping required. App control monitoring. Use the app to track usage, cleaning cycles, and alerts right from your phone. Odor-free waste disposal. Sealed waste compartment helps control odors and keeps your home smelling fresh. Includes trash bags. Comes with compatible trash bags, making cleanup and maintenance simple and mess-free. Saves time effort. No more daily scooping. Huge convenience for busy cat owners. Cat-friendly design. The open top makes it easy for cats to enter and feel comfortable. Cleaner home. Excellent odor control and less litter mess around the box. Higher price point. It's more expensive than a traditional litter box. Requires power app setup. Needs to stay plugged in and connected for full functionality. My cat adjusted quickly, and I love checking the app to see when it's been used. The automatic cleaning keeps things fresh, and I barely have to think about litter maintenance anymore. If you want a smarter, cleaner, and more convenient litter box, the Neakasa M1 Plus self-cleaning cat litter box is definitely worth checking out. You can find it using the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you try an automatic litter box for your cat. Thanks.